Every time your team reacts to a breakdown, instead of preventing it, there is a cost. Not one cost, there are three. And none of them show up on a single invoice, which is exactly why most elevator business owners never add them up. Let me do it for you. Cost 1. Lost customer trust per breakdown. A breakdown isn't just a technical problem, it's a trust event. The lift stops, residents panic, the building manager calls your team. If the response is slow, if the technician arrives without knowing the lift history, if the fix takes 2 visits, the customer files that experience away. In our experience, 3 poorly handled breakdown is all it takes. After that, he starts looking for alternatives. You don't lose that customer with a bad invoice. You lose him with a bad 7 p.m. emergency. The hidden cost is every poorly handled breakdown moves a customer one step closer to your competitor, and you rarely know it's happening. Cost 2. Technician overtime and travel waste. Reactive maintenance means your technicians are always in emergency mode. Wrong technician sent to the wrong site because nobody tracked location. 2 technicians dispatched to the same job. A technician spending 90 minutes traveling to a job a closer colleague could have handled in 20. And when emergencies pile up, overtime kicks in. The hidden cost is a reactive operation burns significantly more technician hours than a preventive one. That's the salary cost you're paying for inefficiency, not output. Cost 3. Compounding spare parts. Cost reactive maintenance means parts fail completely before anyone replaces them. A worn part that could have been replaced cheaply during scheduled visit becomes an emergency replacement, sourced urgently at a premium delivered overnight. Across our clients, we have seen emergency procurement cost 3 to 4 times more than planned. Multiply that across hundreds of AMCs over 12 months. It's a significant number quietly eating your margins. The hidden cost is it keeps happening because nobody's tracking part conditions during preventive visits. The shift from reactive to preventive maintenance isn't about working harder. It's about knowing in advance which lifts are due for service, which parts are approaching the end of life, which customers haven't had a visit in 45 days. ElevatorPlus schedules every preventive maintenance visit automatically, flags overdue services, tracks part across every job, routes the right technician to the right site. Reactive maintenance is expensive. Preventive maintenance is a system. If you want to see it live, then book your strategy call now. Link in description. Let's build a system that stops the bleeding.